All right, what's up, y'all? So we're making a pot roast. You want to go ahead and get some olive oil and moisturize this meat on both sides so you can brown it while you prepare the rest. All right, so boom. You want to go ahead and begin cutting up your vegetables right here. I have some celery. Y'all thought my voice was in slow motion, but it's not. But yeah, go ahead and play swords with your celery. Yeah, work it out. Yes, honey. Yes. All right. So yeah, back to cutting up the celery. Boom, 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 like that, like that. Then all right. Bam. There it is, right there. And yeah, you don't want no pieces laying around. Make sure you pick that up. What is that? Yeah, I don't want that. All right, so here go the potatoes. I got some small potatoes. They're easier to cut and hold. They don't feel dusty like those russet potatoes. Ooh, y'all saw that? I dropped the potato, but I didn't let it go to waste. No, ma'am. No green eggs and ham. There we go. Yes, Drika. All right, so back to the meat. Anyway, I let it brown on both sides. Oop, burnt the shit out of myself doing that. That was stupid. Real country. But anyway, I threw it in a pot of water, which was like 2 cups. All right, so now we back to my vegetables. Bam, bam, bam. Whoop de whoop, 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 whoop. Carry it over to the stove. Bam, set it down like that so y'all can see it. Then I want y'all to look at my carrots. Like, oh, there go the celery. There go the carrots. There go the potatoes. All right, just dump that shit in there. There we go. Now, you want to throw some minced garlic in there? Whatever seasoning of your choice. Do whatever. And this is the little bojuja ball. What's it called? Boiling cube. A recipe told me to get it, so I'm putting it in there. I really don't know what it is, but I'm going to use it anyway. Oh, shit, dropped it. Pick it back up. There we go. Put it back in there. Bam. Now, y'all, I'm about to put some beef broth in here. I'm just mixing. This is my first time doing this, and I couldn't ask my mama because my niece kept hanging up in my face. Ugh. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw some mushrooms in there because the recipe said put some mushrooms in there. I'm not even into mushrooms, but anyway, I like to be obedient. Boom. So there we go. Now we got the green beans. That helps add some color to it, and it's pretty cute. Coming clean out the can. Yes. All right. So now I let it simmer on the stove. Oop, damn, you're moving too fast. So I'm seasoning with seasoning salt. I mean, if you black, you already know that you gotta put that on there. Bam. All right, now, bam. We need to put a little bit more just to make sure. Yep, that's about enough. No, it ain't. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Fuck it. Add some more. Okay. Now throw some little onion powder in there. That helps with taste and smell. All right, so we letting it simmer for about 3 hours. There we go. Cook, baby, cook. And boom, there it is. A stovetop pot roast in 3.5 hours.